Ranorex is known for being a multi-platform UI automation suite of tools that offers low-code, no-code, or fully coded functionality. But we're going to take a closer look at the feature that makes it all possible, Ranorex Spy. It can be accessed from the Startup menu as a standalone tool from within Ranorex Studio or at the element level in your element repository. Spy allows users to explore and analyze the UI of desktop, mobile, and web applications to identify UI elements. Spy captures all running applications according to your whitelist and displays them and their sub-elements in a tree view. Even dynamic IDs, custom controls, and libraries. It will grab the selected element, assign it a Ranorex path, and ultimately makes them available as repository items to Ranorex Studio. Ranorex will examine an element's role, characteristics, capabilities, and attributes, and construct a custom selector called a Ranorex path. Here's an example. The Ranorex path takes the element role, which is button, and identifies the unique button element via the value of the attribute control name. You can always manually edit your Ranorex path selector, the attributes being used, or the filtering mechanism, and even adjust the path and attribute weights Ranorex uses by default. You can set the path generation to prioritize robustness and flexibility, or specificity and speed based on your selector patterns and unique UI. Want to leverage the power of Spy for your coded web-based UI automation framework? Check out Selocity, a free Chrome extension by Ranorex. Start testing smarter today. Request your 14-day trial and see how Ranorex Studio helps QA teams deliver faster, more reliable software with a complete end-to-end test automation solution.